We all have challenges, some big, some small. First comes family, friends, and then community with support and activities. I have CP and live in the beautiful west side of Vancouver. Kerrysdale Starbucks is my favorite place to hang out with friends. I have been fortunate to have a part-time job for 15 years now and appreciate it very much. In my spare time, I enjoyed skiing, swimming, kayaking, camping, and being a Girl Guide leader. I am thankful for the opportunity to be a part of these activities. My motto is smile, be happy, and keep going.